Wave of protests. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, wave of protests. We'll dive into what it means, its context, and how to use it in conversation. So, let's get started. The phrase, wave of protests, refers to a large number of protests happening simultaneously, often in different locations, but centered around a common cause or issue. These protests are like waves in the ocean, numerous and powerful. They signify a strong public reaction or dissent against something. Understanding the context in which wave of protests is used is crucial. This phrase often appears in news reports or discussions about social, political, or environmental issues. It's used to describe a widespread public outcry. For example, the government's new policy led to a wave of protests across the country. 1. The wave of protests started small but quickly gained momentum, drawing thousands into the streets. 2. News channels have been covering the wave of protests that have been sweeping the nation. 3. The wave of protests reflects the people's dissatisfaction with the current situation. Demonstration surge. Mass protests. Uprising tide. These synonyms can be used interchangeably with wave of protests, depending on the context and tone of the conversation. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, wave of protests. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, language is a window into culture and society, and phrases like these are key to understanding contemporary issues. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.